Hi, I'm Dallas Wilkins with Sentry Builders. We're here in Gilbert working on one of our projects for Jeremy. This building is a 30 wide by 50 foot deep. You can see the colors on it. We've got two of our steel insulated walk-through doors. Those always come with a deadbolt that we put into it. We're just kind of in the process of sheeting the walls now. You can kind of see how our insulation lays, and then we follow with the sheeting. Have to cut around the doors and windows depending on what they have. We had a 3-inch insulation on the walls, 4-inch on the roof on this building. Not exactly sure. I'm mostly for storage, I think, is what the building's going to be used for. So we've been on this project. This is our third day. This building is typically about a 4-day project, depending on how many openings it has. The doors and windows, extra accessories, add a little time to the project to work around those. But typically a 4-day building for this size. 14-foot eaves. No, 16-foot eaves, I'm sorry, with a 14-foot door, big enough to get an RV in, get it out of this Arizona sun.
This is Danny with Sentry Builders back here at the shop that we just showed during production. Wanted to show a finished product of this building. Got the garage doors in last week. The customer actually had us come back, do this little shade right here between the house and the shop. They can put another vehicle, get it out of the weather, out of the Arizona sun. But the building turned out really nice. We're happy with everything. It's got these 14-foot garage doors on the front and the back. You can pull an RV all the way through. Got a lot of options of what you could do with this shop, but it turned out really nice. We're happy with how the building turned out. Happy to be back doing this little shade here, and got another one wrapped up for Sentry.